going on, everyone? Got the drone in the air today, brand new. It is October 17th and it's gonna be 70 degrees today. Thought I'd get out maybe one last time before the snow flies. Let's do this. Let's catch a couple smallies here. Running the wacky. Got leaves falling. Leaves are changing. Bad day to be a bass, hopefully. Hopefully we can get something in the on the footage here for the drone. That'd be pretty sweet. It's gonna be about 70 degrees. Oh, yeah, that's a good fish. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, nice. There we go. It's a decent smallie. It's a way to start it. Oh, yeah. Nice. Yeah, only like a 13-incher, but can't beat it. June bug, wacky. Love it. Take a pick quick and I'll send them back. Nice. I think pounded it. There we go. Cool. Well, that's going to be it for today. Short time here, but I was able to get the drone, get a fish on footage. Until next time, take it easy.